Welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to talk about my experience with grid trading bot using Binance. As you can see, I have a trading bot, a spot grid bot, still active. It's already running a little more than 48 hours. As you can see, 2 days, 1 hour and 43 minutes. I created it at the 13th of July. And you can see my total investment was approximately $1,200. Currently I'm at a loss of $41. I made a little profit of $41, and yeah, the floating loss at the moment is $80. That's why I'm currently at a loss of $41. Let's take more a look at my bot that I created, the grid details, because when creating a bot you need to fill out all these things. I think you can choose between a geometric and another one. I forgot the name, but you have two choices here. Then you have to choose the price range. I chose between 70 cents and $1. When I was thinking about creating this bot, then the price of Ripple was approximately 90 cents, while at the moment it's 72 cents. You can also see that my entry price was 79 cents. So you can see that I'm approximately, if I would have 100% in Ripple, then my current position would be approximate at 10% loss. Then the 1200 would be approximate, let's say $1,080. But at the moment it is, let's take a peek. Oh, I cannot see the value. Yeah, the current value is $1,150. Or we can just subtract these two, of course. Yes, and here you can see the pending orders for the buy and for the sell. And you can also see that I've made a total of 47 trades, and each trade yields approximate 80 cents. And in the last 24 hours, I've only made 7 trades, or this bot made 7 trades, while in the first 24 hours, because this is the second half, because it's only running for 48 hours, in the first 24 hours it has made 40 trades. Okay, so this is my current progress. I think I'm going to need to close this bot shortly because I didn't it wasn't my intention to run it for too long. I just wanted to, I thought the Ripple price would still go higher than 90 cents, but I was wrong in that case. So I will be stopping this shortly. Yeah, let's take a look. Bots. So this is the page where if I would have multiple bots, then here you would find them in Binance. If you're interested in making your own bot, let me show you real quick how that works. When you go to, where's the thing again? Markets, trade earn, finance. Oh, where's the bot thing again? Cannot find the bot. Crypto trading bot. I have no idea where it is. Let me just go back. Let's go to the home page. Let's load. Takes a little while. Oh, trading bot. Don't know why I didn't saw that before, but okay, trading bot. Then you will land on this page. I think my internet's running a little slow today. Then you have different options of choosing. I chose for the most simple one, the most low risk one, because not really the lowest low risk, but the other ones are a little more complex. You can say the simplest one. You can also see the other bots, in this case for the future bots, how many they earned, and you can just create and copy their own strategies. But of course, with the future grid bot, there you usually borrow money and go with leverage, and I'm really trying to keep it low risk right now. So yeah, let's say we don't want to get any bias because maybe we already have a favorite coin. Let's click on trade now. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, nice weather we're having. I'm just looking outside. It's already 10:31 p.m. Okay, never mind. Yeah, I don't want to have a future, but okay. You can just click on spot grid. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, sir. Here's spot grid. I don't know why it's showing me in tutorial. It already showed me. Come on, come on, come on. It's just so slow. Come on, go faster. Room, room, room. Yeah. Come on, come on. Should I click next? Okay. Okay. So here you can see a list of some popular bots at the moment. Of course, we can also choose another option like auto. Then they already just put in their own recommended parameters like the price range. Let's say you want to trade Bitcoin, at what price range do you want to trade it? The number of grids, how many trading or limit orders you want to place, because the more you place in this price range, the less this becomes. And of course you can also choose how much do you want to invest. But what I did was I went to manual. I just filled in. I was looking at the graphs, and was like, okay, maybe Bitcoin's between. Oh, this is a percentage sign. The 1%. I want the real numbers. It's between, let's say, 30.3 and 30. Okay, this one is the 5-minute time frame. Let's take the 4-hour time frame for now. Ah, yes. Here you can see it a little more clearly. Then I would say maybe approximate 29k, 29.5 maybe, and between 32k. And if we would do something like that, 29,500 and 32,000. Then we can choose between arithmetic and geometric grids. Let's say we're choosing for arithmetic. Oh, I cannot have too many grids because I have this close of price range. I cannot put too many, so let's put 30. As you can see that my profit is approximate 0.06% and 0.08%, but I don't want to have like a floating profit. I want to have a fixed profit. That's why I'm doing the geometric, and I have a fixed percentage profit. If I do like 10 grids, then I have 0.61%, and if I would have like 5 grids, then I would have something like 1.43%. Of course, if you have too many, then this will be very low. Then you would only maybe receive a couple of cents. Also, it depends how much you put in. Oh, and do remember you also have the option to put USDT, but also the other coin. So if you already had some Bitcoin, then also put the Bitcoin here. In my case, I had some Ripple, and I just wanted to sell some, but I didn't know when to sell. So that's why I also used the grid bot, because I thought it would go higher for my Ripple. Of course, you can be wrong, but if you're a long-term holder, then who cares? If it goes lower, the better. Then you can buy more at the lower price. Then you're sort of dollar cost averaging, and they also have a DCA bot, a spot DCA that stands for dollar cost averaging. And yeah, it's also interesting to taking into a look. Yeah, so let's say you would have like 1,000. Let's just fill it in real quick. Oops. Oh, I cannot fill it because I don't have any more. But let's say I had 1,000, then I would put 1,000, and there is a minimum deposit of $72.67. I see here. Also, you have some other advanced features, but whenever you have that, you can just click create, and the bot automatically runs. You don't have to look at it every day like me, but it's really fun to look if it made some trades or if the price is very volatile. So yeah, that's for this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.